You are watching How to Explore. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.
7 tempting things that can lower your immune system. Our body's defense against harmful infections is provided by the immune system, which is a sophisticated network of cells, tissues, and organs. To maintain general well-being and good health, a healthy immune system is necessary. However, there are several tempting habits and behaviors that can compromise our immune system's effectiveness. In this video, we will explore 7 common things that can weaken your immune system and provide insights into how to counteract them. Poor diet. A nutrient-rich diet is vital for supporting a robust immune system. Consuming excessive amounts of processed foods, saturated fats, and added sugars can lead to inflammation and a weakened immune response. To bolster your immune system, focus on incorporating whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats into your daily meals. Lack of sleep. Sleep is often overlooked in today's fast-paced world. However, chronic sleep deprivation can have detrimental effects on your immune system. During sleep, your body repairs and rejuvenates itself, which includes strengthening your immune response. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to help optimize your immune system's function. Sedentary lifestyle. Regular physical activity has been shown to enhance immune function by improving circulation, reducing inflammation, and supporting the production of immune cells. In contrast, a sedentary lifestyle can weaken your immune system. Make it a habit to engage in moderate exercise for at least 30 minutes most days of the week to keep your immune system strong. Excessive stress. Prolonged or chronic stress can take a toll on your immune system, making you more susceptible to infections and illnesses. Stress hormones like cortisol can suppress immune cell activity, impairing their ability to fight off pathogens. Incorporate stress management techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or engaging in hobbies to help reduce stress and support your immune system. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. Both smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can compromise your immune system. Smoking damages the respiratory system, making it more vulnerable to infections, while excessive alcohol consumption impairs the production and function of immune cells. Quitting smoking and alcohol intake can significantly boost your immune system's effectiveness. Lack of hygiene. Maintaining proper hygiene practices is essential for preventing infections and supporting your immune system. Neglecting to wash your hands regularly, not covering your mouth and nose when sneezing or coughing, and avoiding vaccinations can expose you to a range of pathogens. Practice good hygiene habits, including frequent hand washing, proper food handling, and staying up to date with vaccinations to protect your immune system. Isolation and loneliness. Social connections play a vital role in overall health, including immune function. Prolonged isolation and loneliness have been linked to increased inflammation and weakened immune responses. Stay connected with friends, family, and your community through social activities. clubs, or volunteer work to promote a healthy immune system. Conclusion: maintaining a strong immune system is essential for a healthy life. By avoiding or minimizing these tempting habits and behaviors, such as poor diet, lack of sleep, sedentary lifestyle, excessive stress, smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, lack of hygiene and isolation, you can support your immune system's ability to protect you from illnesses and infections. Make conscious choices to prioritize your health and well-being, and your immune system will thank you.